Let the monkey business begin.
See those monkeys in the trees? They sure do love to swing. They're a noisy, howling, screaming bunch when they're doing their monkey thing. They're grooming one another, showing off for a friend or two. It's monkey see and monkey do. Primates, primates, let's give a big thumbs up for primates, primates, whoa. Primates, primates, stand up and celebrate. The apes like family living, the grown-ups teach the young, rolling around like acrobats or just hanging out for fun. They're hugging one another, grabbing a tasty snack, catch a ride on mama's back.